Good evening, everyone. It is August 28th, 2017. Doing another quick two-box break. 2017 Leaf Metal Hockey two-box break number 17. This is a random hit and a guaranteed hit. So just like in number 16 and the rest of the previous random hit breaks, we're going to showcase the hits in the two boxes. In this case, we have two boxes remaining out of this case, box 4 and box 12, right here. So no need to randomize boxes. These are the last two boxes, and this box doesn't. This break does include the hot box, right here, and that was number 4. Then what we'll do, once we show the case that hits out of the break, we'll come back. We'll get these list of names, put them into the randomizer, roll the dice, put these list of names into the randomizer, and then we'll manually type in the hits in here, randomize those, and the card you end up with after the randomizer in the Google Doc is the card you receive in this break. So good luck, everyone. Let's see what's in these last two boxes. So like I said, it was box 4 and 12. Hot box is box 4. 12 is right there. So let's go with box 12 first. Let's move that over here. We'll open up the hot box as well. There you go. 7 autograph or memorabilia parallels per box. So the only memorabilia you'll get is the Toronto Centennials, if there is any. We'll leave it right there. So we'll start off with this side first. And we have Nolanine. That is what? Blazers. There you go. Put that right there. Next one. Christopher Paquette. Lightning drafted him 148th overall in 2016. Next one. Here is Kaylor Yamamoto. That's Keanu's brother as well. So there you go. 4 of 25. We have Nick Henry. We have draft class, Maxime Comtois. A couple more. We have a Toronto Centennial, nice one, Wendell Clark. And that is a 6 of 6. Wendell Clark, Toronto Centennial. Nice. And the last card of this box, we have a printing plate, 1 of 1. Wow, it's Nolan Patrick. 1 of 1 printing plate autograph. Look at that. It's a draft class, Nolan Patrick. There you go. Sweet. All right, that was box 1. So there you go, here are the hits for box 1. Put that right over here. This box is empty now. Now let's go with the hot box. Good luck. So the first one is Ivan Lodnia, Winter's Future. And it is 8 of 10. So remember, all of these cards will be numbered parallels or memorabilia numbered. We have Matthew Strome. There's Dylan Strome's brother, Vision Quest. And it is a 5 of 5 Vision Quest. And we have, nice, draft class, Maxime Comtois. And it is a blue 12 of 15. Sweet. So now we got a numbered one and a regular as well in this break. And we have a green Alexi. And it is a 4 of 5. Hemponiemi. Yeah, should be something like that. Alright, we got a couple more, guys. We have Daniel Antropov. 15 of 15, little eBay 1-of-1. This is a very, very young prospect right here. Alright, so that's what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. 2 more to go. Or actually, is that it? Oh, there's one stuck up here. Wow, it's Teemu Selanne, Lords of Hockey. Nice. And it is a 1 of 5. It was stuck right at the top of the box. Nice, Teemu Selanne, the Finnish Flash. Lords of Hockey, 1 of 5. That must have been the last one, but here's Ryan Kubik. And it is a 15 of 15. Again, a nice solid break with some nice hits and young prospects. So there you go. That was the hot box. So let me showcase the hits again one more time as they came out. Alright guys, I'm going to quickly pause the video, input these hits into the randomizer, then we'll come back, randomize the list of names and the hits. So stick around, guys. Alrighty guys, welcome back. I just put the hits into the randomizer, so let's show you the list of customer names in the break. Ben with 4, Chris with 3, Matthew with 5, and Jared with 2, and Last Spot Mojo. Then we have Nolan Neen auto all the way down to Ryan Kubik, 15 of 15. So let's roll the dice. Wow, look at that, a full 6 and a 6. That's 12 times. 12 times on the list of names and the hits. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. After 12 times, Matthew, you're at the top, and Matthew, you're at the bottom. Alright, full 12 times on the list of hits. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12th and final time. Boom. After 12 times, Maxime Comtois at the top. Nick Henry autograph at the bottom. I was thinking of Derrick Henry from the Titans. Alright, let's get this going. So Matthew, you have the Maxime Comtois draft class autograph. Christopher with the Ivan Lodnia Vision Quest 8 of 10, as well as the Wendell Clark Toronto Centennial 6 of 6. Ben, you have the Matthew Strome Vision Quest 5 of 5. Matthew with the Christopher Paquette auto. Jared, you have the Kaler Yamamoto 4 of 25. Matthew, you have the Alexi Kemponiemi 4 of 5. Ben, you have the Nolan Neen auto. Jared, Last Ball Mojo, Ryan Kubik 15 of 15. Ben, you also get the Maxime Comtois draft class 12 of 15. And Matthew, there you go. Nolan Patrick Play auto 1 of 1. Ben, you also have the Daniel Antropov 15 of 15. Christopher with the Teemu Selanne Lords of Hockey 1 of 5. And Matthew with the Nick Henry auto at the end. So there you go, guys. That was the break. That was number 17. Number 18 I'll put back into the store. It'll be from my separate case. Should be fresh. JaspysHobbyLand.com. I'm Jason, and I'll see you guys next time.